Hello students, welcome back to my channel with the continuation part of the same chapter, that is real numbers. If you did not watch our previous videos, check out the link in the description box. Now let's start our session. Now here is the question. Given 2.3 x whole power x plus 0.23 whole power y is equals to 1000. 2.3 whole power x, that equals to 0.23 whole power y. Here 1000 can be written as 10 cube. So first taking as 2.3 whole power x equals to 10 cube. Now apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. That is log 2.3 whole power x log 10 cube. Now we know the property that log m power n to the base a can be written as n log m to the base a. Now this RHS and LHS becomes x log 2.3 and 3 log 10. So we know that x log 2.3 and log 10 is 1, so that is 3. Now here x becomes 3 by log 2.3, but we need 1 by x, so 1 by x is reciprocal of this, which is log 2.3 by 3. And next 0.23 whole power y equals to 10 cube. So the apply log on both sides and continue with the same process above, and we will be left with 1 by y log 0.23 by 3. Now we have got the value of 1 by x and 1 by y. Now 1 by x minus 1 by y value will be, now finding 1 by x minus 1 by y, that is log 2.3 by 3 minus log 0.23 by 3. So the denominators are same, so we can directly subtract the numerators. Log 2.3 minus log 0.23 by 3, and this will be log 2.3 by 0.23 by 3, which belongs to the property log a minus log b, which is equals to log a by b. So here log 2.3 by 0.23 will be log 10 by 3. Log 10 to the base 10 value is 1 by 3. So therefore we have found the value 1 by x minus 1 by y is 1 by 3, and this is the solution. Now here is the next question. If 2 power x plus 1 is equals to 3 power 1 minus x, then find the value of x. So the first and the foremost step, given 2 power x plus 1 is equals to 3 power 1 by x. So apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. So log 2 power x plus 1, that equals to log 3 power 1 minus x. So from the property log m to the power n to the base a can be written as n log m to the base a. So this here it becomes x plus 1 log 2, that equals to 1 minus x log 3. So here we can write it as x log 2 plus log 2, here log 3 minus x log 3. So taking all the x terms to one side, x log 2 plus x log 3, Here it becomes log 3 minus log 2. So taking x common from both the terms, log 2 plus log 3, that equals to log 3 minus log 2. So x is equals to log 3 minus log 2. Now x is equals to log 3 minus log 2 by log 2 plus log 3. Now we have to use the two properties, which is log a minus log b can be written as log a by b, and the second property here is log a plus log b as log ab. Now for the numerator and denominator we are going to use this two property. So x is equals to log 3 minus log 2, which is log a minus log b, which is log a by b, that so that it becomes 3 by 2, and the denominator log a plus log b, which is log ab, so log 2 into 3. Log 2 into 3 is 6. You know that 3 by 2 is 1.5. So therefore the value of x is log 1.5 by log 6, and this is the value of x, and this is the solution. Now the question is log 2 rational or irrational? Justify your answer. And the second one is log 100 is rational or irrational? Justify your answer. So the first one, given log 2, use the contradiction method which we have used in the exercise 1, and now if we are not comfortable with that method, the new method is log 2 to the base 10, that equals to x. Let it be as x. So here 10x will be, now taking moving 10 to the RHS side, it becomes 10 power x to the 2. So 10 power x to the equals to 2. So check it, it is not possible at all. Now if you want, you can check it also. If x is equals to 1, 10 power 1 is 10, which is not equals to 2. If x is equals to 2, 10 square is 100, is also not equals to 2. Otherwise, if x is equals to 0, 10 power 0 is 1, which is not equal to 2. Even in negatives also, if you want, you can check for the negatives also. X is equals to minus 1, 10 to the power of minus 1 is 1 by 10, which is 0.1, which is not equal to 2. So this statement is impossible. If it is a rational, it would be possible, but if it is not possible at all, so 10 power x is not equals to 2. So therefore log 2 is an irrational number. An irrational number, as 10 power x will not be equal to 2, because a rational number should get an definite value. It is not a definite value, so it is an irrational number. If we get a definite value, it is a rational number. Now let's start the second question. Log 100. So proving it should be rational or irrational. First, as usual, consider log 100 to the base 10 as x. Now here it becomes 10 power x is equals to 100. Now if x is equals to 1, 10 power 1 is 10, which is not equals to 100. Now considering x is equals to 2, 10 power 2 is 100, that equals to 100. So here LHS is equals to RHS. So therefore log 100 is a rational number, as it is a as it has a definite value. And these are all the solutions of this both questions. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to click on like button and do subscribe to my channel as to get all my notification. Thank you.